Today we are going to install the FORTISWITCH 108E into the RM-FR-T12 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the FortiGate appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 2 M3 bolts, and 1 cable. The industrial version rack mount kit is supplied with shielded cables and couplers. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom of the FortiSwitch. Remove 2 screws on the side of the appliance, 1 on each side, depending on the placement of the warranty sticker. Place your FortiSwitch on the rack and fix it with the 2 provided bolts. Tighten the bolts lightly. Connect the cables from your FortiSwitch to the connectors. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the kit into a server cabinet.
If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.